version of The Great Wave off Kanagawa by Hokusai, and I'm 3,000 stitches in. Oh yes.
Andy's Osman, I didn't think I would miss sport, right?
Yeah.
But I love swimming. It's the only sport I do, and I really miss it in the bath.
Right.
How are you coping?
Well, I'm not, to be honest. I'm absolutely not coping. I mean, everyone's pretending that we're coping with it. I'm not coping without top-level sport. I don't believe it's covered in the magnet.
Andrew, what issue is dividing the nation?
It turns out that there's 4 places in England. There's a place called Scotland, there's Wales, and then there's Northern Ireland, which, as we all know, is happily in England.
Who knew?